Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, we'll learn about Cramer's rule. So Cramer's rule is used for solving system of linear equation, and the rule expresses the solution in terms of determinants. So let's see how to use this Cramer's rule for a system with two variables, and let's illustrate that with an example. So let's say we have the following system. So we're gonna solve this using the Cramer's rules. An important thing when you're dealing with Cramer's rules, make sure that the variables are written on the same order. So you can see on the first equation, we are having x and then the y variable. The second equation should also have the same thing, x then y. Should not be y then x. And similarly, we want all the constant to be on the right-hand side. The solution to this system using Cramer's rules is as follows. The x value is given with dx over d, and y is given by dy over d. So d and dx and dy, all of them are determinant. And how to compute these are actually very simple. D, you simply form it by using the coefficient of the variables. So the coefficient of the variables are 1, 3, 2, and 2. And this is a simple 2 by 2 determinant, so we can easily calculate it. 1 times 2 give you 2, 2 times 3 give us 6, so this gives us minus 4. dx, we can form it also easily. It is the same as d, except that we are replacing the coefficient of x with the constant coefficient. So the coefficient of x are 1 and 2. So we're going to replace them with the constant coefficient, which is 5 and 3. And then this remain as is. So again, this is very simple to compute. 5 times 2, that is 10. And then 3 times 3, 9. This gives us 1. dy also will be computed in the same way. dy will be the same as d, except we are replacing the coefficient of y with the constant coefficient. So it means coefficient of x will remain as is, 1, 2. Then the coefficient of y are 3 and 2. We're gonna replace them with 5 and 3. So this we can compute easily. 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times 5, that is 10. So this gives us minus 7. Now we can easily calculate the value of x and y. So x, as we said, we can compute it as dx over d. We already have dx to be 1 and d equal to minus 4. So that's the value of x. And then the value of y, dy is minus 7 divided by d, which is minus 4. Or I can write it this as 7 over 4. Minus cancel with each other. So this is the solution. You can check it obviously by substituting back on the original equation if you want. So check. If we substitute in the first equation, you'll get minus 1 over 4 plus 3. The value of y is 7 over 4. So this gives us 4 as a common. And here we have minus 3 times 7, that gives you 21. 21 and minus 1 give you 20 over 4, that gives us 5. So 5 is the right-hand side of the first equation. And the second equation, if we substitute in the second equation, so we'll have 2 times the value of x that we get is minus 1 over 4 plus 2 value of y, 7 over 4. And then we have 4 here minus 2 plus 2 times 7, that give you 14. 14 minus 2 give us 12 over 4. This give us 3. So this is the right-hand side of the second equation. So we can see that the solution is correct. So this shows you how to use the Cramer rule for a system with two variables. There will be another video that show you how to use this for a 3 by 3. So that's it for this video. If you find this video useful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel and turn the notification on so that you get notified about new content. Thank you for watching.